Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can repost a video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, we can open our TikTok application on our phone and you can select a video you would like to repost on your profile. And for example, I'm going to repost this video. So we can click on this icon and we just need to click on repost to repost this video. Okay, and now this video has been reposted on my profile, and I'm going to open my TikTok profile. And if you want to see the reposted video, you can click on this icon. All right, and these are the video that I have reposted on my TikTok account. Alright guys, and that's how we can repost a video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.